Samahan niyo po ulit ako sa aming biyahe. Simula dito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport hanggang Malaysia Airport. Opo.
Diretso pa po ma'am sa second after ng second door being 16. Okay, so dapat po nasa doon na po na hanggang Mexico. Yeah. Pwede mo tayo
activate when the battery is immersed in water. Now, in the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Now, remove your face coverings, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Now, put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Now, keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on for them. Now, the emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. Now, these exits may be behind you. Now, fire extinguishers are positioned around the aircraft. Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguishers.
At sa wakas ay thank you Lord dahil nakarating kami ng maayos dito sa Malaysia.
Edisi 35 untuk penerbangan segera. Terima kasih. Final from Malaysia Airlines flight MH158, MH158 to departure hall gate C35, gate C35.
Chapeau.
At nakasakay na nga po pala kami dito papuntang hotel na aming tutuluyan. Super excited to see the beauty of Malaysia. Salamat po kaninyo ngamin at ingat palagi.